Express Entry Canada invited 1047 in new PNP draw. Canada has held its 5th PNP only Express Entry draw of the year. Canada invited 1047 Express Entry candidates to apply for Canadian immigration on March 2, 2022. IRCC only invited Provincial Nominee Program candidates in the new invitation round. The comprehensive ranking system, the CRS cutoff was 761. The minimum score was relatively high because PNP candidates get an automatic 600 points added to their score when they receive their nomination. Without the nomination, the lowest scoring candidates would have had 161 base points. Invited candidates now have 60 days to apply for Canadian permanent residence. In the previous round of invitations, IRCC invited a total of 1082 PNP candidates to apply for Canadian immigration. It was a record for the number of Express Entry candidates invited in a single round of invitation. CRS cutoff score for last 10 Express Entry draws was like this. A draw on October 27, 2021, the cutoff score was 744, and November 10, 2021, cutoff score was 685. 24th November 2021, the cutoff score was 737, and 10 December 2021, the cutoff score was 698. 22 December 2021, the cutoff score was 720. 5 January 2022, the cutoff score was the highest one, that was 808. 19 January 2022, the cutoff score was 745. 2 February 2022, cutoff score was 674, and 16 February 2022, the cutoff score was 710, and the latest one on 2 March 2022, cutoff score was 761. Number of invitation to apply issued in the same period from January 1st to March 2. In the year of 2021, the invitations to apply were issued about 38,000, and in 2022 until March 2nd, invitations to apply were issued about 4,000 guys. Minister says draws for skilled worker to resume in near future. What is Express Entry? Express Entry is the application management system for 3 Canadian immigration programs: Canadian Experience Class, the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and the Federal Skilled Trade Program. PNP candidates in the Express Entry pool have already qualified for one of these programs. Express Entry uses a point-based system, the comprehensive ranking system, to rank candidates' profiles. The top scoring candidates receive an invitation to apply and can then apply for permanent residency. After the candidate applies, an IRCC officer reviews the application and makes a decision. The officer will ask for biometrics and may set up an interview or request more documents. If the application is approved, IRCC issues a confirmation of permanent residence. Approved permanent residents can then complete the landing process. If they are outside Canada, they can access pre-arrival services to help them with the first step for settling in Canada. Who was invited in the latest draw, guys? So this is the example here, a hypothetical example of someone who may have received an invitation to apply in the new Express Entry draw. Salim is 39, holds a bachelor degree, and has been working as an information system manager for 6 years. Salim has an advanced English language proficiency and has never worked or studied in Canada. He entered the Express Entry pool with a CRS score of 386. He recently received a provincial nomination through Alberta's Express Entry stream. His new CRS score of 986 would have been high enough to get an invitation to apply in the new Express Entry draw. So this was the situation explained for the nominated people who got nomination in the latest draw on March 2, 2022, guys. This is Khalili. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon button to get new videos notification on time. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video, guys. Have a wonderful day.